acoustic lubrication, so one of my favorite topics. We use our products to monitor friction, and an increase in friction can give us an indicator to go and grease the bearing. So here is the particular motor we're dealing with. So this was on the non-drive end bearing here. We're actually taking a reading with this was done with an RS1T, but just on the bearing housing. So here's what it sounded like pre-greasing. So everyone should be able to hear that telltale crackling of friction. And then after we greased it, a lot smoother. You can still see that there is some indications of some friction, and we can definitely reduce the friction being caused by lack of lubrication, but we cannot grease bearing wear out of a bearing. So, you know, at a certain point when a bearing degrades, there's only so much you can do. So, but we were able to take it from almost 23 dB RMS down to 14.7 dB microvolt RMS, and obviously a huge reduction in the crest factor as well. So again, you know, clear indicator that, you know, ultrasound is a huge benefit for acoustic lubrication.